The Eagle and the Arrow. An old eagle was taking a nap on an old tree. A loud noise made him wake up. When the eagle looked down, there was an Indian hunter holding a bow with an arrow. The eagle was so afraid that he tried to fly away, but he saw the arrow and was sure he was going to die. The eagle watched the arrow and groaned in pain. But after a short while, the eagle was surprised. There were eagle feathers on the end of the arrow. "I am not disappointed because I'm going to die, but because the arrow is made with eagle feathers," he said.